Hello students, in this video we will start chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. First I will give you little introduction about this chapter and then we will do the first exercise. So first all of you have learned in lower classes about counting numbers. I hope all of you know about this. So counting numbers are 1, 2, 3 and it will go up to infinity. These counting numbers we can call natural numbers also and it is denoted by capital N. So natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. 1 is the smallest natural number and as it will be going on up to infinity, so we don't have any largest natural number. All these natural numbers are representing by with these 10 symbols 0 to 9. With the help of these 10 symbols only, we will represent all the numbers in our number system. These symbols we can call digits also or figures also. Next thing is numeral. When we are writing a number into digits, it means we will call it numeral. And when we are writing in word, then we will call it numeration. After this, we have system of numeration. We have mainly two systems. One is Indian system and another one is international system. Normally, we will read and write in these two systems only numbers. So, according to the Indian system, you can see here in this table, the from right side first place is ones, then 10, 100. These three together we will call ones. After 100, 1000, 10,000. These two will come under 1000 period. Then after 1000 we have lakh, 10 lakh. It will come under lakh period. Then crore, 10 crore. It will come under crore and it will be keep on going. This year, but for you it is up to here only. So at ones place we don't have any zero. 10 place, the place value will be 10. 100 place value will be 100. Then 1000 place 30, 10,000 40. Similarly at each step 110 will increase. Second system we have international system. In this little changes there. Last three are same 1, 10 and 100. These three are coming under ones period. After this 1000, 10,000. Then 100,000. Now these three will come under 1000 period. After 100,000, million, 10 million and 100 million. These three will come under million period. And same number of zeros are here. With the help of these two tables, you can compare also both the systems. So, if we want to compare, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000. 10 lakh is equal to 1 million. 1 crore is equal to 10 million. Like this, we can compare both the system. After that, we have inserting commas according to this Indian system and international system. Commas we are using to separate the periods. According to the Indian system, last three 1, 10 and 100 will come in ones period. So after these three 1 comma will come. Then next period will start 1000, 10,000. Then 1 comma, then lakh, 10 lakh. After each period we have to put comma and comma we will start from right side. So first 3, then 2 and then 2 and 2, so on like that. In international system, each period is having 3 digits. So after 3, 1, 10, 100, then 1000, 10,000, 100,000 again. After each period you have to put comma. Next is place value of a digit. Place value means the place occupied by a number. So suppose a number is on 10 place. So its place value will be number into place value. If number is on 1000 place means number into 1000. And place value of 0 is always 0. Next after place value we have face value. Face value means the digit itself. If 7 means 7, if 8 means 8, we should not multiply here with anything. You can see here one example I have taken. Number is 1745. In this number I want to find out the place value and face value of 7. Now place value of 7, so we have to take 7, and 7 is at which place? 7 is at 100 place. So multiply with 100. So place value of 7 is 700. If we talk about face value of 7 will be 7. One more example. Number is 205 and we want to find out the place value and face value of 0. So place value of 0 will be 0 into, this 0 is at 10 place, into 10. So if we multiply any number with 0, answer will be 0. So it will become 0. Face value of 0 will be 0. So always remember, place value, face value for 0, it will be same. One more example. 7498. We are finding place value for 7. So 7, and 7 is at which place? 1000 place. So multiply it with 1000, 7000. Or simply you can write like this also. 7, after 7 1, 2, 3 digits are there. So after 7 3 zeros will come. Face value of 7 will be 7. After place value and face value, next thing we have comparison of numbers. So here we are comparing natural numbers, or we can say positive numbers. To do the comparison, first we have to check the number of digits. So you can see here one example is there. First number is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits. And second number is having 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. So always the number having more digits is greater than another number. So in this case you can write directly, because this first number is having 5 digits, second number is having 4 digits. So this 5 digit number will be greater than this number. Second thing, if both the numbers have same digits. For example, one number is 74,512 and another number is 74,389. In this case, first you have to write number properly according to their place. So 1 place, 10 place, 100, 1000, 10,000. Then from the leftmost side you have to start comparison. So first compare these two numbers. Which will be greater? Suppose here 8 was there. Then 8 is greater means this number will be greater. But in this case both the numbers are same. Then we will go to the next place. Then again next place we will compare the number. Then also these two are same. Again we will go for the next step. Until we will not get the greater number, we have to follow this process. Now you can see at third time we are getting 5 is greater than 3. It means this first number is greater than this second number. Next is formation of numbers. First case, when repetition is allowed. In this type of questions, digits will be given to you, and if digits are not given, then some hints will be given according to the question. So here I have taken 3 digits, say 3, 7 and 9. With the help of these 3 digits, I have to make 2 digits number. So 2 digit means 2 places are there, 1's place and 10 place. So this first place, 10 place, if I fill with 3, then I have here 3 options. This second place, 1's place, I can fill with 3, I can fill with 7 and I can fill with 9. So 3 options are there here. If this 10 place I will fill with 7, then again to fill this 1 place I have 3 options, 3, 7 and 9. Same thing for 9 also. If the 10 place I will fill with 9, then this 1 place I can fill with 3, 7 or 9. Because here repetition is allowed, so 3, 3, 7, 7 and 9, 9 we can count. But if repetition is not allowed, in that case this 3, 3, 7, 7 and 9, 9 we will not consider. So in this case total we have how many possibilities? We have total 9 possible numbers. Second case, when repetition is not allowed. So when repetition is not allowed, as I told before, so the 2, 2 condition, these 2, 2, 5, 5 and 7, 7 condition will not come. Only the first place we can fill with 2, second place 5 and 7. Because we cannot repeat, so again 2 we will not write. If this 10 place we will fill with 7, 5, then another place we can fill with 2 and we can fill with 7. If 10 place we will fill with 7, then other place we can fill with 2 and we can fill with 5. So here we have total 6 possible numbers. Next thing, forming greatest number and the smallest number. Digits are given here also, or some hint will be given, depend on the question. So here I have taken 4 digits, and with the help of these 4 digits I have to make greatest number. So to make greatest number, just write number in the descending order, big to small. Which is the biggest number? Write first, then next, and then smallest number at last. For smallest number, we have to arrange number in ascending order, small to big. But only one thing you have to keep in mind, don't keep 0 at the first place. If in the given digits 0 is there, always keep it at second place, don't keep it at first place. Why? Because if we keep 0 here, if I keep here, then this number will be 0359. And this is a 3-digit number, not a 4-digit number. So, be careful with 0. Now we will start exercise 1.1. First question is, write the smallest natural number. Can you write the largest natural number? So smallest natural number is 1, and because counting is going on, keep on going, so we don't have any greatest natural number. Second question, this number is given and we have to put comma in this number according to the Indian system and according to the international system. So according to Indian system, we have to start from right side. After 3 digit we have to put 1 comma. Then after 2 digit again 1 comma. Then if more digits are there, again after 2 digit we have to put comma. So from last, leave the 3 number, put comma. Then 2 digit, put comma. According to the international system, after each 3 digits we have to put comma. So here 1, 2, 3, 1 comma, then again 1, 2, 3, here comma will come. Before this 5 any digit is not there, so no need to put that comma. Second number also is given. In this one also we will do the same thing according to the Indian system. From last count 3 digit, put 1 comma, then 2, again 1 comma, again 2, 1 more comma. According to the international system, after 3, 1 comma, again 3, 1 more comma. Next, question number 3, write the following number in the expanded form. So expanded form means you have to expand these numbers. So first, this is after 7, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits are there. So it means after 7 you have to write 5 zeros. Then plus next 5. After 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. It means you have to put 4 zeros. Then next is 0. That is not compulsory to write. If you are writing, that is also okay. Then next is 6. After 6, 2 digits are there. Means after 6, 2 zeros. Then next plus 8. After 8, 1 digit is there. Means 1 0. And plus 7. Similarly, you can do the second one also. It's very easy. Next, question number 4. Write the following number in the figure. So first number is given 7,03,420. 7,03,420. You have to write these number in place value chart also. So for that, just write ones, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. 7 lakh means 7 will come under lakh. Then 3,000. So 3 will come below 1,000. 400, 4 will come under 100. Then 20. And here you have to fill 0. Next number is given 80 crore. So 80 crore, 23,093. 80 crore, 80 crore, then 23,093. Remaining places zeros will come. And comma you put according to the Indian system, because this in wording it is given according to Indian system. Crore word is mentioned, lakh word is mentioned. It means this is given in Indian system. Next, question number 5. Write each of the following number in numeral form and Place comma correctly. So first these number we have to write in numeral and then we have to put comma. So first is given 73,70,407. So here lakh word is mentioned. It means it is according to the Indian system. So 73 lakh 70,407. Commas put according to the Indian system. After 3 then 2. Next is 9 crore 5 lakh 41. 9 crore 5 lakh 41. You can write like this and then you can fill it. It will be easy. Then put comma according to the Indian system, because 9 crore word is mentioned here, lakh word is mentioned. It means it is according to the Indian system. Next one, 58,423,202. So here million word is mentioned in this one. It means this number is in international system. So after writing this number, put commas according to the international symbol. Read carefully these words, because their only hint is there how to put comma. So here according to the international system, after 3, then again after 3 you have to put comma. Next, question number 6. Write the place value and face value of the digit 6 in the given number. So number is given this 7,56,032. We have to find out the place value and face value of this 6. Now for place value, 6 is at 1000 place. So 6 into 1000, 6000. And face value of 6 will be 6. Next, question number 7. Write the face value and the place value of odd digits in the given number. So number is given this 36510,692. And only for the odd digits. So odd digits are here. 3 is odd number, 5 is odd number, 1 is odd, 9 is odd. So only for these odd numbers we have to find out the place value and face value. So I have written in order 1, 3, 5, 9. So 1 is at which place? 1 is at 10,000 place. So after 1 you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 digits are there. So after 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros will come. And face value of 1 will be 1. Next number is 3. Now you can see 3 is at which place? After 3 how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It means after 3 you have to write 7 zeros. So face value of 3 will be 3. Next is 5. After 5 you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So after 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros you have to put. Face value will be same. Then 9. For 9 you can see 9 is at which place? 9 is at 10 place. After 9 only one digit is there. It means only 1 zero will come. 90, and face value will be 9. Next, question number 8. Find the difference between the place value and the face value of digit 9 in the given number. So number is given 229309. We have to find out the place value and face value of 9. So place value of 9 will be after 9, 1, 2, 3 digits are there, 9000, and face value of 9 will be 9. You have to find out the difference. Difference means do the subtraction of these two numbers. 8991. Next, question number 9. Determine the difference of the place value of two sevens in given number and write it in the international system. So here two sevens are there. One 7 is this and another one 7 is this. So first for this 7 which is at million place, we will find out the place value. You can see after this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits are there. It means after 7, 6 zeros will come. Then place value of this number will be, place value for this second 7 will be 7 into 1 more 0 means 70. Then we have to find out the difference between these two numbers. So find out the difference means do the subtraction of these two numbers. After this you can write it into international system. Next, question number 10. Determine the product of place value and the face value of digit 4 in the given number. So number is given here 5437. In this place value of and face value of 4 we have to find out. So place value of 4 will be 400. After 4 2 digits are there, means after 4 2 zeros will come. Then face value of 4 will be 4. We have to find out the product, means multiply these two number, 400 into 4, 1600. Next question number 11. Find the difference between the number 895 and that the number obtained by reversing. So given number is 895 and if we reverse this number it will become 598. You have to write in reverse order and we have to find out difference between these two number. Difference means find out the subtraction. Do the subtraction for these two number. So after subtraction we are getting 297. Thank you for watching our video.